For our color mixing artwork, you will need some colors. You could use some crayons or colored pencils or watercolors if you happen to have some. You'll also need some white paper. If you're using watercolors, you'll need a cup of water and a paintbrush. Mixing colors is easy and lots of fun. Remember when the dancers in our story mixed red and yellow? Let's try it. I'll use some crayons this time. You can make any kind of shape with the red and color it in. And then make a shape next to the red with the yellow and color that in as well. Then make that shape overlap the red and color right on top of the red. So notice where the yellow and red mixed together and it made orange, just like in the story. Now let's try mixing yellow and blue. This time I'll use some colored pencils. We'll do the same thing. Make a shape with the yellow, color it in, and make a shape that overlaps with the blue. And notice where the blue and the yellow mixed together, it made green. Now let's try mixing red and blue. This time I'm going to use the watercolors. Get some water on my brush, swirl it in the red, and paint a shape. You need more water on your brush. Just dip it back in so you can spread your paint a little better. And now to switch colors, I'll wash my brush, swirl it in the blue, and make an overlapping shape with the blue. Now I'll overlap the colors, mix them together, and notice how it made purple. Do you remember what happened in the story when the dancers mixed red, yellow, and blue together? Let's try it. And notice where all three colors mixed together, it made a grayish brown. Now let's try mixing white with other colors. I'm going to go back to using crayons. Color with some red. And then I'll color half of it with the white. Notice how the white made the red pale or pink. Now let's try mixing a color with gray. I'll use the same red crayon. And I'll color half of it with gray. Notice how the gray made the red dark. Now let's try mixing black with this color. Make one more red circle. And we'll color half of it with black. The black almost makes the red disappear, just like in the story. Look at all the colors we've made. You can continue experimenting with mixing colors. I hope you have fun. Thank you for joining me for this Toddler Art Explorers. Be sure to post a photo of you and your child's artwork on social media and tag @fia.education. See you next time.